Hi, this is Rakesh and watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to fix if Wi-Fi is not turning on. So let's start the video. In this video, we will show you 2-3 methods using that you can fix that issue. So follow the steps. Let's check whether it is connecting or not. So as you can see, it is not turning on. I'm using Lenovo laptop right now. Maybe you are facing the same issue with other laptop. It is not showing the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So just right click on start menu and open device manager. Once open, check whether Wi-Fi driver is installed or not. So in my case it is installed, so no need to install. If not, then you install it. Then again right click on start menu and open settings, then click on network and try to enable it from here, but it is not turning on still. Okay, so I have a Lenovo laptop. So in my laptop I have a function key. So we have a shortcut key. If I press F1 plus F5, it will turn on the Wi-Fi on my laptop. So you can try this also. So let's try once. Okay, it is not at all turning on. So in Lenovo laptop we have a switch here, right here. If you turn it on, so in my case it was off, so I just turn it on. Let's check the Wi-Fi. Okay, now it is showing all the available Wi-Fi and it is connected also. Maybe in your case the device is not working or the Wi-Fi device is faulty. So you can try one more thing. You can buy this kind of Wi-Fi dongle from online website and connect it to your desktop or laptop and fix the issue. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.